Imagine a future where artificial intelligence is as ordinary as flipping a light switch. That's exactly the vision leaders in China are working toward today. Huang Xiaozhen from Minimax Group, a rising AI unicorn, says AI isn't just about supercomputers or complex algorithms anymore. It's becoming the backbone of everyday life, like electricity or water, quietly powering our work and homes. If you're excited by innovation, hit like, subscribe, and comment below because we're diving into how AI is moving from concept to everyday reality. China's 15th five-year plan for 2026 to 2030 is driving this transformation. The government is actively supporting AI, quantum tech, biomanufacturing, hydrogen and nuclear fusion energy, brain-computer interfaces, embodied intelligence, and 6G communications as the next engines of growth. The push got a huge boost in April 2025 when President Xi Jinping visited the Shanghai Foundation Model Innovation Center, one of China's most active AI hubs. He described AI as a young cause for young people, inspiring a workforce that's mostly under 35, with founders barely in their 30s. Companies are experimenting faster, innovating from scratch, and developing applications that touch every corner of daily life. Take manufacturing as an example. Shanghai Silicon Pair Technology is using AI to transform ordinary toys into smart products, upgrading supply chains and giving Chinese goods a competitive global edge. Meanwhile, companies like Cyber Partner AI are blending brains and bodies, combining large-scale AI models with robotics to redefine how technology interacts with the physical world. Government support is clear. From subsidized computing power to pilot programs and a 60 billion yuan AI investment fund, startups are empowered to innovate boldly. This isn't just domestic ambition. China is sharing AI advancements internationally, supporting sustainable development, disaster warning systems, and low-carbon industrial projects across Belt and Road countries. Experts say what sets China apart is the speed of execution. Policies align with strategy, and strategy turns into real-world action fast, from research labs to factory floors. The result? AI is no longer futuristic. It's becoming an essential, integrated part of society. If you want to see the future of AI unfold in real life, don't forget to watch the related video in the corner.